Thank you. Good morning. I really appreciate the opportunity to be talking a little bit here. My focus was going to be on AI scams. AI is the big conversation out there, and AI scams are really very prevalent right now. There's a number of different AI scams. AI phishing scam is out there as normal. Phishing is always an issue in anything we do. There's AI voice cloning scams and AI AI deep fake video scams. And while the phishing is probably the most prevalent out there and the one that we need to be careful of, they've become very good at making the phishing emails and text messages and so forth look real, genuine, and it's hard to tell them from the fake ones anymore. You can do little things like hovering over where they're coming from just to double check to make sure it's legit. The scary one out there is the AI voice cloning. About 3 years ago, before AI became a really big thing, I was at an AI conference and they were talking about AI, and we had a demonstration of the AI cloning capabilities of voice back then. 10 seconds of AI understanding your voice or hearing your voice from anything from from an answering machine to just to a quick conversation. These videos, then AI can replicate your voice, and this has become a big issue for seniors because of the attacks that are coming out there, and they really sound genuine. As well as businesses. Businesses have this is a bigger exposure to businesses than ever before, because they are getting, the CFO calls in and says, hey, I need money transferred, and it sounds like them. Video scan, and the video is even more frightening, if you want to say it that way, because they actually take a picture of you, and then they can have full motion and AI video running with your voice, asking you to do things. So from the senior standpoint, you just got to be careful out there. And one of the things you can do is just for prevention is just double check. If somebody's calling you up and saying they want money moved or they need something urgently, say, okay, I'll call back. Hang on, I'll call you back. Then call back the real number. You can have safe words, and that's something you really should set up. Safe words that you use with your family especially, but also business owners, CFOs, COOs, and just so that you know that it's verified. And you can do that, of course, with voice and video. So be careful out there. Those are the kind of three big ones out there. Fake AI tools are out there. Fake AI investment scams are prevalent. And and even the AI chatbots. If you are trying to order something online and you go to a malicious site, that might be something you have to watch out for. AI talking away, you're chatting with a chatbot, and it's asking you for your credit card information or banking information. No, they won't do that. They should never do that. So keep those things in mind. But the AI is a threat that we haven't had to really face before. They're the same systems, just different techniques using it. The AI can have that conversation with you, so it sounds really real when it really isn't. So take some precautions. Be safe, and try to make sure that and verify before you do anything. Patience, slowness, speed. There's almost no situation where something has to be done in a few seconds. It can wait 15 minutes for you to verify that this is truly the case. So just get a little bit of heads up about the holiday season and the entire season. As we mentioned, AI is out there. AI scams are prevalent, and they're getting more. So thank you.